the process is most important, because when you're in the industry, or when I get into the industry, they want to make sure, like, does this guy know what he's doing? This was not just a fluke. Can he do this within the time frame we have? Because there's deadlines to be met, and one deadline for me is making sure I get my homework done, because that will teach me responsibility and discipline, and that's what we need going on. So yeah, I hope that helps.
Hey, Jimmy, with the Blakey.
Yo, what's
up,
up,
Jimmy?
I just got the freaking shower downstairs. But you already know it's not what time you arrive, it's how you arrive.
Oh shit, what the fuck?
Got that pizza.
Damn, from the Cheesecake
Right.
Factory.
You're like, where is it? I looked right here.
Oh, I thought it was like boxes for like.
Yeah, he was looking in the fridge.
No, that's right, I'm gonna. I ate half of it of this one, and the rest, this full one's for you guys, and this half is for you guys.
Cheesecake make pizza?
Yeah, they just started making the
Oh, what the hell?
I'll definitely be taking those onions off. Yeah, okay, I guess we'll split it and then we'll split this.
That. You guys are still hungry? We can order more.
So let's see, how many did I do? At the pull-ups.
So you got all the tallies and stuff?
4.
Oh, I should check downstairs,
24.
bro. We have a lot. Downstairs we have stacks of all the workouts we've done.
That's good.
Yeah, we got to. Because we're gonna show, like, later on, we're gonna be asked, like, how did he become so successful? We're gonna start showing, like, the paperwork and, like, oh, we did this and did that, you know?
That's
Got
good.
a little roadmap. We started with just our free weight. And then we added the 5s.
And then you worked your way up?
And then we were gonna add another 5, but we're like, nah, we're grown. So we went straight 10s.
Damn.
Yeah. So now we're gonna buy the vest.
Oh shit.
Yeah, we're gonna put the 45. And then once I go to the gym, or actually no, we're gonna make downstairs the gym. I'll talk to Nick, we're gonna get a bench press.
Yeah.
Damn, those would be crazy.
It's gonna be sick. Because we're already renting out the garage, might as well do it.
Yeah. And then we're gonna get Froggy, our other roommate, and then he's Badger, and I'm Kit, and then
Yeah,
it's like nicknames.
pretty much. Kid means little honey badger.
Damn.
Yeah.
Crazy. Honey Badger.
Yeah, that's exactly, baby. They call them kids.
Fuck.
And then this is our mascot.
Yeah, I know, I was thinking that last night. I was like, what's the fuck? That's sick.
Yeah. And then we got Jack. He can't wait to be Jack, bro.
Dude.
He really knows how to make first impressions.
So that was my cousin, right? It was his first time meeting Jack. And Jack's like, he's like, look, go straight to the bathroom. He said, me and his fist. He's like, look, I was like, you're gonna just die.
That's funny.
Like, but it was like that, except like,
It was loud. It was just like, he there too, biscuit fly.
Jesus, fuck.
He's funny, bro.
Yeah, he is.
He's a fucking G, dude. And then, like, every time he works out, we tell, like, alright, he's tired. He was like, I do one more. I was like, do it for the girls. Super safe, bro.
just one more.
So one thing that I really want to do is set up podcasts, and Jimmy bought all the podcast stuff worth a lot of money, and also we're gonna probably organize Diazic's room.
A lot of money.
We're gonna put another desk. Hopefully this desk fits.
But that's the thing about having visions that we see stuff that other people don't. Because to us, we're doing the right mindset, you know? Other people would rather not spend and be broke for the rest of their life.
These guys are here bringing this big ass desk. It's just heavy.
Press?
Yeah, I'm good.
Alright, ready.
We got so many stuff going on in the other room. It's crazy. Told them pretty much to reorganize this so we can make it to a more like studio. And 30 minutes to an hour later,
It
it's
really is a master bedroom.
it's all getting there now. Yeah, it's like a master bedroom. Pretty big. I guess this is room in my workspace right here. I'm gonna put the TV just like my room is set up. TV in front of me. That way I can see my vlogs and watch Gary Vee, his desk, and then if Jimmy wants to work here, you work on that desk, or and then podcast here or something like that. On the grind.
This is what you gotta do sometimes. This is where it all starts though.
Yes.
One penny at a time. Before our business booming. We have a vision. This is where we
He
are.
wants to buy. He's buying liquor.
Gotta save money. Man never pays full price. $5.
Yeah, but you can't save money when you're spending. You're not saving money. here. Buy licorice next year in the morning. As soon as we get this e-commerce thing up, we just gotta study, focus, and really master what we're trying to do. Next time I come back, we should have this e-commerce down, and then I'll start looking at clients and stuff like that.
Alright.
Like Jimmy said, we still need to learn.
Always learning.
It's like school. You can't be a doctor if you don't learn.
Dude, years. It takes years of concentration.
Well, we're supposed to be in a marketing agency. It might be a little different.
I mean,
It's easier to learn.
years to
Grow,
expand.
yeah. But yeah.
Changes maybe.
Yeah, it's finally done. Okay.
It looks way better though. We just gotta keep a little bit.
Yeah.
Damn.
Everybody look at the podcast room. Dang.
Just don't look at the closet or the bathroom. Some Tura cooking session with Jimmy and the Isaac. What I usually do, I don't use a spatula, I use my hands to flip it.
You wash your hands?
Always.
Okay.
See how it's bleeding? Just kidding. It's not bleeding.
I wash my hands all the time.
Yeah.
I'm so proud of this young fella right here. He's finally growing up. Ain't that right, Driver? Let him know.
I just wanna gotta keep growing. Not I wanna, I'm going to, I will, I am.
Just gotta keep going.
Yeah.
That's right. What's your motivation?
My motivation is personal development for my future comic, the future team I'll build right now, the relationships I'm building, to help push myself and to help inspire, other people that may be like, who don't have a dream, or who don't have like, or maybe they do, but they don't really know how to go about it, or they don't have the drive. And really, like we said, motivation is kind of like a myth. So right now, since I'm surrounded by you guys,
My
by sharks, just fueling the vision, like seeing the young children like in Japan or in Australia or Canada, watching my show, not just reading the comic, or seeing people in plays or in festivals, like performing it, because it's gonna have music in it too. And let's see, what else?
Apparently, in the new room that Disaac has rearranged, we rearranged the room to where it's more of a home office. We thought about this in the morning, and we did it, and it looks a lot more organized, and it looks like we get a lot done. And actually, the room looks way bigger than it did before. So how do you feel about the room?
What do I think? Just the fact that we touched up on it, like we changed it, because going to this new year, what do we want? We want change. And how do we make it? By making a change. And I guess I feel more entwined. I don't know how to say it. I feel more focused to get my stuff done. And if I ever want to invite someone over the house, for me, it's like if I'm not doing my artwork, it feels like something's missing. Or if I'm not working on myself, it feels like something's missing. Mm-hmm. So now other people can join, and we can just all work off each other's vibe and just keep pushing, like keep motivating each other.
Yeah, so like I said, he has this new place, and he's back from watching the movie.
That's nice.
Yeah, it's really nice. Reminds me of my house. Except with this one desk. But it is currently 8:42. Jimmy doesn't come. What time does Jimmy get back? I think he gets back early before you.
He said he was coming around 9:30.
We're probably going to do a podcast later today. I'll probably add that in the next video. Today's video was kind of just having us work. Like I said, I'm going to be posting more videos, more like informational and just more me about throughout my day and just vlogging my work experience. And hope you guys, I'm probably going to end the video here. Still got a lot of things to work on. Got an interview coming up. Like I said, I have no job right now, but I will. Can't stand these minimum wage jobs anymore. Got paid.
I can't stand 3 hours.
He works 3 hours a day.
Oh God, thank you for your blessing.
More than I can say, do it to me, can say, more than I can say, do it to me, can say, more than I can say.
I mean,
It's
for keeping me here for three
Yeah,
for 3
yeah, there you
hours.
go.
That's pretty impressive. That's what I meant. That's like what I meant on that. And it's time to get more hours. It's time to find
God bless you.
new opportunities. So God bless.
Yeah, you need more hours.
Yeah, I'm gonna need more hours, and also